not a test on rapping to the beat. Meet the groom and my friends are gonna try and move their feet. Now I am one of mine, and I like to say hello to the black, white, red, and brown, purple, and yellow. First you gotta bang, bang, booty. Who said up to the booty? Bang, bang, booty over the beat. Rock, you don't stop, cause it make your body rock. Now I am one of mine, and I brought two friends along. Tick-tock, come on, ninja, come on and sing your song. Little ladies feel the word fight for my delight, cause I'm the grand master of PMC. 3MC, so chug the house for the young ladies. The women do, the ladies fight for my delight, cause I'm the grand master of 3MC, so chug the house for the ladies.
I never take a day off, work around the clock, my engineer getting paid off. Rock like Ace up, like the weed and take off. So high I cannot see Adolf. Now I got these rappers all breaking up a sweat, cause every time I get up on the mic I come correct. And I learned it from the best, always dressing something fresh, looking for a little dime, big butt and nice chest. Yes, they heard I used to rock Guess, but now I'm rocking clothes that ain't in the stores yet. Travel back in time, I'm in a vortex, trying to make it work out, think I need more reps. Used to take a bus, now the boy board jets, cause kids got me busting like a fucking hornet. They say I got next, tell them that I got now. It's all Disney, boy, my family proud. Make them say L, make them say O. The hoes that tell me yes, the same ones that tell you no. Whoa, I ain't just an average Joe, way above the average flow. Boy, my life is most dope. No matter where life takes me, find me with a smile. Pursuit to be happy, don't be laughing like a child. I never thought life would be this sweet. It got me cheesy from cheek to cheek, hey, hey. And I ain't gonna wait for nothing, cause that just ain't my style. Life couldn't get better, this gon' be the best day ever. If it ain't about a dream, then it ain't about me. Go a couple full weeks without a good night's sleep. Imagination, making musical creation, a journey that I'm facing, plus the paper that I'm chasing. Got me crazy after saying with the lames, I see you hating, but there's nothing that you changing. Thumbs up, I'm maintaining, no complaining when it's raining. I'll be in another zone, move out my mother's home to a world to call my own. I ain't gonna play around no more, find a difference from the ground and the floor. If we gotta fight, I'll be down for the war. Thumbs up, homie, I'll be sure. No matter where life takes me, find me with a smile. Pursuit to be happy, don't be laughing like a child. I never thought life would be this sweet. It got me cheesy from cheek to cheek, hey, hey. And I ain't gonna wait for nothing, cause that just ain't my style. Life couldn't get better, this gon' be the best day ever.
Yo! What is good, my friends? Happy Friday. Chat to the chat. Squadron. What is good, my friends? Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Happy birthday, my bro. I hope you're having a great day. 40 racks for the B-Day. Yes. Good morning, my guys. How are we? Happy birthday, my brother. I'm wishing those 40 racks upon you. We got Ronj. We got a full squad in the chat. What is good, my brothers? What's good, gang? Oh, man, I hope everybody is doing great today, guys. Good morning. Happy Friday. Welcome back, baby. We are so back. Like a motherfucker. Oh, man, dude. Let me turn this down a little bit. I hope everyone is doing fantastic today. Happy free day. Happy free day, my friends. What is good? Let me get all set up here. I hope everyone is doing great. Boom. Give me 1 second. Good morning, my friends. I hope everybody is doing fantastic. Let's get over to the chart here and see. Yeah, everything's looking good, guys. Everything's looking good. Guys, I don't think we need to make analysis difficult today. I don't think we need to make any part of what we're doing difficult today. Let's keep it very simple. KISS. Boom. Check it out. Check out this chart. I think this looks great for a potential upside. If it decides to do literally anything besides an easy move to the upside, I'm not fucking trading it. Oh, but Jake, what if it fails and we can short? Don't care. No interest. This doesn't look like a short to me. I have no interest. If it happens to be the greatest short in the world, cool. I'll watch it from the sidelines. I'll smoke a joint and I'll cheer you guys on. But I am interested in longing NQ on a breakout today, or literally nothing. Same goes with ES. I'd be down to trade the ES as well. Potato, potato, tomato, tomato. Once they open up, we'll see. RTY doesn't look as good, but you never know. If anything, this could absolutely still be a long up into yesterday's highs. I'll stay away from the YM. That's the... Yeah, the YM looks a little bit choppy. Yeah. Good morning, my friend. Hi, first time watching you in this channel. I usually see a Chinese person on this channel. That's my dog. That's Alan A. Zhang Trades, my absolute dog. Our group collective Chinese guy. He's not mine. You know, he's the squad's nighttime host from 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. Eastern. And guys, he is an incredible trader. So if you have a chance, not only should you check out his stream, but all of the rest of the streams on our channel. For clarity, for you asking, my name is Jake RAKETRADES. This is Jake RAKETRADES channel. I'm RAKETRADES. I'm just not the only person who trades live on here. That being said, dude, I'm super glad to have you, man. I'm super glad to have you. Okay. Let's not. Come on now. That's not it. That's not the truth. Although I will say, guys, one of my best friends in this world, actually probably my best friend in this world, is a guy named Sean Nakabayashi. And when I was very first putting this project together, I was telling Sean about the people that I was going to hire. And I told him that one of them was Alan A. Zhang Trades. And you could just see this look in his face. He just goes, this is a real story, by the way. My friend Sean, literally my best friend, looks and he goes, oh, man, you got to lock him in. Like, you got to do it. And I was like, oh, like, why, blah, blah. And he literally, this is not my words. My friend Sean goes, dude, it's an Asian thing. Like, you just don't understand. Like, we're really good at what we do. Like, he's going to be really good at this. Like, trust me, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, I'm pretty confident he's going to be really great at it. I don't know if it has anything to do with him being Asian. But my friend Sean just literally goes, no, bro. Like, dude, it's an Asian thing. And I was like, whatever the fuck you say, man. So shout out to my friend Sean. Shout out to Alan. Shout out to all of the hosts. Guys, we are live on YouTube every single day. From, here's our schedule. 1 to 3 a.m. Eastern. 9 to 12. Call it 9 to 11 a.m. Eastern. We got 12:30 to 3:30 afternoon show. And 7 to 9 p.m. EST. We are live every single day. Every single day, my friends. So we are very grateful for you tuning in and checking us out on YouTube. But yeah, hopefully that answers that question. Yeah, man. Yeah. Guys, other than that, I really don't have a ton of chart analysis to provide today. We're going long. And we're looking for longs, or we're going to the pool. I think it's a very straightforward answer, right? I think we're looking for longs, or we're going to the pool. We got ES potential longs. Check out some individual names as well. Tesla getting a nice gap up. I've been avoiding Tesla lately just because it is in a larger range, but hey, there's some movement to be had there, I'm sure. Nvidia eventually will get the breakout. I don't know when, but I'm sure it's coming, you know. Microsoft, I don't know about today on Microsoft just from this chart, but in general, that's a strong chart. There's moves to be had, guys. Moves to be had for sure. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm a guy who I love the path of least resistance, like whatever looks the easiest. No chart out there looks more straightforward for me than the NQ today. The NQ looks great. It's had some choppy days, but I'm not about to go away from my queen bitch on the one day that she like looks really good, you know? That personally, I think the queen bee looks great today. So I'm stocking for an NQ. I don't mind gold. I checked it out earlier. If you remember, guys, from the Sunday stream, we did some gold analysis, and I kind of thought that gold would end up as a sideways action bar this week. That's what's happening. It's green. I thought it might be a little red. Like that doesn't matter though. Gold is choppy and consolidative. There's moves to be had, but it's not a clean trend. Guys, the NQ looks good. Stop asking about other stuff. I'm not trying to not answer you. I like to trade what looks great. The Nasdaq looks great. Searching for something else is looking for the grass is always greener on the other side. I don't know why I'd do that when the thing that I love to trade looks fantastic, right? So if this looks great, I'm not going to put my attention elsewhere and be like, well, maybe the grass is greener on the other side. I'm going to look at the one that looks great and look to execute upon that, right? So, yeah, I don't like to look a gift horse in the mouth and then say, nah, I'm good. If we've got something that I love to trade that looks great, the grass is not greener on the other side. The grass is greener where I water it, and watering it is on. And watering it would be trading my toxic relationship, the NQ. It's so funny, guys. At one point this year, I was looking back at some of my old YouTube videos and Instagram reels. I was talking about how much better it was to trade gold, and I really stand by that. Earlier this year, it was way better to trade gold. We had these big trends. Gold is starting to get to that point, but NQ's already there. The NQ already has a clean trend and looks super bullish and is giving really easy, straight up moves, and I'm making good money. And like, I just don't understand why the grass is not greener, guys. I assure you, the grass is not greener on the other side. Stop looking for other places to find trades sometimes. I urge you to keep it simple, stupid. Keep it motherfucking simple, stupid. So I love you guys. Good morning, chat. We've got, what is it time? What time is it? 9:15 a.m. Eastern. Oh, we've got a nice old 15 minutes, gang. We've got plenty of time. Yeah, man. I think we look for pullbacks, ideally to one of these lows, maybe even to this overnight low. See how we hold up. But I love a little overnight target high action depending on where we pull back to. I mean, you could even make a case that the NQ is going to pull back to the overnight low. I think we've got a lot of potential. There's a lot of movement potential in the Nasdaq today. So let's stick ready to trade it, man. Hell to the yeah, buddy. All right, let me get logged in, guys. I need to get a few different. I'm not going to trade my TPT Live account. They haven't processed the payout yet. I withdrew it last night. It should process at some point today, but it hasn't processed yet, so I don't want to trade that account until the withdrawal is processed. I have a different TPT Live account that is untouched. I could technically trade that. I also don't really want to do that today because I would prefer to just keep them saved. So I have a Tradeify account. I got a Funded Seed account. I got a Lucid account. I've got a TPT eval. I'm just gonna put some work in today on some fundeds and some evals. But until they credit my withdrawal from yesterday, I don't really want to trade that account because I don't really want to keep it up in the air for potential shit. You know. No, it's not my biggest withdrawal from them now. I've been trading a very long time, senor. Man, I think I'm starting to look at the ES and see that in yesterday's high and be like, God damn, bro. Maybe that's the target. I know Ron G is long the ES, so I'm sorry. I don't mean to get you horned up by talking about it. But I am eyeing that yesterday's high as a, oh man, guys. I might be leaning towards the ES today. I might be leaning towards the ES today. $342s on NQ is less than 100 points away, guys. So I think that's a valid target. If we're going to go long the NQ, which I'm not necessarily saying that we are. Jake's, shout out Jake's thoughts. Jake does have a potential visitor this weekend. 342 is a reasonable target. ES. Yesterday's high. These are the two things I'm watching today, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry if we got to keep it, if this is too simple and you guys are like, fuck you, Jake. I wish you give me a more in-depth trading plan and all that. I'm looking for longs in these two names. I'm looking for longs in the ES or the NQ. I don't really give a fudge about nothing else. Jake, what do you want to happen before you long? I don't really know yet, guys, and I'll see it when I see it. Maybe we pull into these levels. Maybe we pull into there. Maybe we go to these levels. I don't know. But I'll wait to see what it looks like on a 5-minute, 15-minute. Like we'll see the action. But I'm leaning towards a move up into these highs. I looked at gold today. I'm not very interested in it. It might make a move, but I think, again, guys, we as the collective group, we got to stop looking for greener grass when we have green grass right in front of us. I'm telling you, the NQ and the ES look good. I'm not saying gold can't offer a good move too. But gold, at least for me, and maybe we trade slightly differently. Maybe, I don't know. But I'm just speaking for me. I'm just speaking for me. Gold is consolidative in this week, and it's going back and forth, and it's in this range in a little bit of chop. NQ looks like a parabolic, straight-up motherfucker. I'm not on the hunt for where the grass is greener. I'm just on the hunt for where the things I know how to trade look good. This looks pretty good to me. I urge us, guys, we got to stop looking for greener grass. If we keep looking for greener grass, eventually we're going to run into a wall. My name's Jake. I'm Horny Bull. Amen, baby. Amen. All right, guys, good morning. I have 2 quotes of the day for you guys. Two quotes of the day. As a reminder, guys, every day we do a quote of the day, whether it's a fictional character like Tyrion Lannister, whether it's real professional athletes like Jimmy Butler, the GOAT, or Dwight Howard, or me. All right? But today's a very important quote. Guys, if you ain't first, you're fucking last, okay? And I don't mean this in the traditional sense. I really don't mean this in the traditional sense of what Ricky Bobby might meant, where you have to come in first place. But if you're not first, you're last is like a mindset you have to live by, in my opinion. Well, and really, this isn't a Ricky Bobby quote, guys. If you're a true ball knowledger, if you have real ball knowledge, you actually know that that's Ricky Bobby's dad who said that, okay? Not Ricky Bobby himself. It was his dad who said that, right? If you ain't first, you're last. All right, and what I interpret that as is you got to be giving it your all at all chances, okay? No, you don't need to be full porting every day. No, you know, but you have to give it a real and honest shot every day. You've got to try your hardest every day. That's what the quote means to me, all right? The quote to me, and this is not a joke. This is not being sarcastic. I know sometimes I like to have fun and yada, whatever. I really mean it. At the bottom of my heart, guys, this is a meaningful quote to me. If you ain't first, you're last. Give it your all every fucking day, okay? We've got one chance on this earth, one chance on this planet. Go all out. When did it become cool to not fucking try, right? Try. Shoot the shot. Shoot it. Okay? I had a second quote of the day. I totally forgot what it is. So we're not going to do the quote of the day is simple. If you ain't first, you're last. And ball knowledge reminds us this isn't a Ricky Bobby quote. This is a Ricky Bobby's dad quote. All right? So good morning, my friends. Let's see what we can get today. Again, guys, I'm going to try and keep it simple. I want longs. Here are Jake's initial thoughts, guys. And I don't want to be here. Here's the one little note I'll put, right? I'm not saying we can't go down, my friends. I never want to sound like I'm saying, oh my God, I'm looking for longs or else I die. Whatever, you know, that's not what I'm saying. What I really mean at the bottom of my heart, what I really mean at the bottom of my heart, if if this starts to look like a day where we're going to tank heavily to the downside, I'm just going to leave. Because I don't want to try, like, the longer time frames are not telling me to take that trade. The NQ daily chart, we might move down, but at least for me and the way I trade, this daily chart is not telling me to go short. So I'm not looking for shorts on it. It might make a move down, but I'm not personally looking for shorts on it. If that's the way it goes, dude, fuck yeah. And I'll root it on from the sidelines. As I smoke my... If it decides to go down, guys, I'll smoke my joint and I'll sit in my chair and I'll be like, ah, nice move. Hits joint. Nice. All right, fuck it. That's literally what I'll do. If the market starts to move down, I'll just sit back and I'll let it do that. Not because I don't think it can move down, but because a move down would just be like an inside bar on yesterday's giga bullish candle. I don't really want to short an inside bar on yesterday's super bullish candle, right? So I'm just not going to. Boom. Simple. Cash money milish, right? Boom, 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 boom. So that's what we're looking for, my friends. That is what we are looking for today. All right, give me 1 second, guys. I got to load up our mantras here. The opening print is a tool and a piece of information to use. It is not a hard rule. It is not a rule that you say, I only long above, I only short below. It is not a hard rule. It is a guiding point that can help you. I have never claimed that I only look for longs above and shorts below. If you've ever heard me say that, you misinterpreted what I said. It is a very helpful piece of information. It is not a hard rule, nor have I ever said it is. It is, baby. But I love me the opening print. I do. I love it. I love it. I love it. Where are our quotes of the day? Where are our quotes of the day? Where do they go? Where do they go? Where do they go? Good morning. All right, I don't know where my mantras went, guys. Not my quotes of the day. I guess I must have deleted them off screen. Please give me 1 second. Guys, every single day, I want you to read these sentences out loud and just humor me, man. Just humor me, guys, and read these 6 sentences back with me. All right? Read them back with me, chat. I'm turning the music off for this. 1, I will not overtrade. 2, my self-worth is not determined by one day's profit or loss. 3, one trade does not define who I am. 4, I will respect and value money. 5, I will not cheat the game or myself. 6, I will train like the trader I aim to be before I become one. Before I become them. I want you to train like the trader you know you can be even before you are them, right? So guys, these 6 sentences, I promise at the bottom of my heart, it makes a big difference. Read them out loud. Repeat them to yourself. Good news. We're 1 minute away from market open. Let's fucking get it, baby. Let's fucking get it. Let's get down. Let's get down to business. Where is my chart? There we go. Boom. Check it out. Markets open in 30 seconds. Let's get it, my friends. Let's get it. 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 Good morning, chat. I didn't have a chance to say good morning to each of you yet. Trader Nix, Praga, Z, Geds, Aloha, Trader Bob, T-Man, C-Broy, Knobs, Luke, Vishflex, T-Man, Aloha, Ruma, RS, MES, Joey, Alexander, Kyle. Good to see you, brother. Midsell, Marco, chat. It's good to see you guys. Let's get down to business. Holy NQ. I mean, there's a case to be made to take it right now, guys. There's a case to be made to take it right now. I am going to try it, even if I lose. Good morning, chat. I am trying an early morning long. It's fast, but I wish I got a better fill right when we got over the opening print. And I'm prepared to eat a stop if it comes to that. But I really liked at least the potential. The only thing I don't like here is I think we could actually come under this wick before reversing on the day. And if that's the case, I'm going to eat a stop before we reverse. But there was enough bullishness pre-market for me to give this thing a shot, man. So here I am giving it a shot. It's not a giant size. It's not a giant risk, but it is got some dollars on the board, and I'm ready to get down to business, baby. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's eat. I really wish I got filled at the opening print. That would have been made my R to R much more doable here. But we're going to try and get a run up into these 342s. Burning. All right, I might end up eating a stop here, which will be okay if so. About 3,000 if I do. Just under. Yeah. All right, I ate a stop. I'm okay with my shot, though. And I'm okay, willing to try another one pretty quickly. That doesn't. This doesn't rule me out from taking another shot. Beep 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 beep. Taking these off so I can see better. We'll say I'm not going to try right away. If we try to reverse this, that would unfortunately have to be me just dealing with the cuck chair. I'm open to trying another one, but not until we move lower first and change the structure a little bit. If we do just immediately reverse from here, unfortunately, that's going to be me just having cuck. Yeah, unfortunate timing. But I can't try right again. Good morning, my friends. Happy Friday. I've got this trade C account I want to try as well. All right, guys, let's see. We did just spike out this low here. ES is holding up a bit better than the NQ. All right, let's see. Pulling back into levels here. Remember, I'm open to trying something off these levels, but one of the scenarios we painted for the day is we can come literally down here. This is erasing none of the bullish action from yesterday. It's just range type stuff. So if we're coming down here, I don't really want to try another long in the interim. So I'm waiting to see. You don't want to get horny bull syndrome, but you also got to be willing to shoot a shot and try a risk. So let's see. I am going to try this again. 1 minute off the levels. If this fails, I probably will not take any more tries on the day. But we have the 1 minute trigger off the level. $342 still remains the target. Let's see, guys. All right, it's Friday, man. We need good vibes music. Oh my God, no music was even playing for you guys. It was dead silent. Wow. Sorry, guys. I've just been very focused right now. All right, I want to keep my eyes up. We could trigger a sell setup and continue the downtrend from this level. So let's not get too, convinced that we're golden and set for life here. Still want to keep my eyes up. Just trying to keep my emotions calm, guys, because we could, again, this is what I signed up for, right? If I'm aiming for a big move, I signed up for the potential that we could reverse. Or I guess we're not going to. I guess we're just going to stonk to the moon. I'm kidding. Keep emotions in check. We could very easily reverse this and come stop us out. So I don't want to rule that scenario out, but I do want to manifest greatness. Come on, give us the dub, NQ. You were bullshit for much of this week. Let's be friendly. Let's get on good terms, babe. Choo choo. Who am I to choose? Nah, I'm Shwazy. She was buzzing all over me. All right, guys, we're approaching the opening print, the green line. Next step is hold over that. Then you know how it goes, guys. If we hold over the open, we can hold that bitch all day. If we hold over the open, we can hold that bitch all day. Hold over the open, we can hold that bitch all day. Hey, hold over the open, we can hold that bitch all day. Hey. We got ES taking out its open, well, not its open, excuse me. ES taking out its level, 15-minute trigger. Oh, this is a good one. This is a proper one. Come on, NQ. Let's go, babe. Let's go. You look great. I want to take you to the dance, babe. I want to take you to a show. Come on. Show me what you got. Come on. You're my baby girl. All right, guys, let's see. As long as we hold above the opening print, I also think, again, you guys know me. I don't move my stop to even for dollar value reasons, only chart reasons. At this point, I don't want us erasing the opening print move and failing these levels, right? So knowing I don't want us to do that, I'm just going to boop. Let's lock in for a second. Let's see if we need to exit this as a whole or if we're just pulling back to opening print. The daylight. Let's see, guys. We want this to hold basically right here. We don't really have much room for this to pull back more. My guess would be there's a 1 minute trigger somewhere within this 2 minute. Yep, we'll see. I just want good music, man. Guys, I'm just trying to kick it today. Good music. We'll run some giveaways later. Smoke a joint, you know. Get a good trade in. Let's get it, baby. This really is just like the all-time good vibes song. I really will stand by this. Like, if you're a girl and I send you this song, and like, if this song makes me think of you, you might be the one.
Certain things you just can't refuse. She wanna ride like a cruise, and I'm not trying to lose. Then you're left in the dust, unless I stuck by you. You're a sunflower. I think your love would be too much.
Green glasses because we green, my friends. Green glasses because we green today, baby. Holy shit, ES looks gross. Do we just take our money and leave while we have it? That's a harsh failure. Eyes up, guys. I might be an early exit on the day here. Out of my control. Left in the dust. Just by us. That's a harsh failure, guys. I don't love that. I would really love us to hold this level in the opening print like immediately. I don't really want us to go any lower. Again, I'm not going to lie to you. This song feels a little bit weird to be playing on a day trading live stream. with a bunch of mostly other males. So for that, I do apologize. That being said, it is an objectively really fire song. So I can't like rule it out. You know what I mean? I can't press skip. Eagle Eyes makes this so much easier to hold. Might help us, might hurt us, but... Again, weird song to play on a day trading live stream. But, I mean, I hope this NQ trade goes so well that I can look at the NQ and I can scream, "This sex is on fire." Greatest. Your sex is on fire. Your sex is on fire. There's such this fire. I had someone message me yesterday and they were like, "Bro, like, why don't you do this every day? Like, why don't you just make 40,000 every day? Like this, like, blah, 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 blah." And I was just like, yeah, I mean, if you figure that out, bro, let me know. I'd love the answer to that equation too. I'd love to make 40,000 every day. Once you figure out how I can do that, hit me up, dog. Let me know. Let me know. All right. First day of college song, maybe? No. Dude, I'm gonna put some faith in my parents right now. This is my parents' wedding song. If the market was ever going to break out, it would probably come when I'm putting a tribute to my parents, right? So shout out Ron and Loretta Ricci. Loretta Stagnito, Ron Ricci. And if I lose this trade, I'm for sure blaming them. I'm going to text my mom. Tell her what's up. Wednesday too. Happy Friday, my friends. Thank you so much for being here. I totally forgot to pin a link in the chat. I literally have not looked at the chat once today, and I'm so sorry, guys. It's not because I don't love you. I'm just pretty focused right now. I promise once I'm done being mega focused, I'll answer any questions from any of you guys who stick around. It's Friday. I'm in. Come on, NQ. Let's see, my friends. It's Monday's food. NQ, my parents got married to this song. If you would do us a favor and fucking be nice, we would appreciate it. It's kind of a big deal. Guys, I am making a conscious decision here. Normally, I don't raise my stop loss to even. Normally, I would let this stay in the original spot. I don't really want to lose again. And it wouldn't really bother me that much if we stop me out and then move back up. This is looking kind of choppy. So I'm just going to keep it in a defensive position right above my entry. If I get stopped at even, I get stopped at even. And we hit the pool. Wow, Mom and Dad, that one was a shout out to you.
Make some noise for the strongest in all the game. The strongest in all the game.
I have a feeling I'm going to get stopped out at even. But again, I'd rather not lose more money today. I was dreaming and I'm floating.
So I've worked on it, but the drums still aren't right. The feeling is right. The pocket isn't.
I think I might get stopped at even, guys, but I just want to honor my capital today and just respect my money. Hopefully we don't. The market usually likes to punish people who move their stop loss to even. So I feel like I might get punished for that. But again, I just would rather not lose more money today. That's really what it comes down to. All of a sudden, guys, it's turned into just under a $60,000 month for me so far from trading. So I'm pretty happy. I'm not saying that I'm in defense only mode the rest of the month, but I certainly would like that. I certainly would like to keep that 60,000. Well, it's like 50. It's like 56. But I'm sorry, I'm rounding up. And my money goes twice as fucking far here. For the first time in my life, I do not live in California or New York. I will let you discern from that what you will. You can do the math. Thank God I don't live in California or New York anymore. Fuck you, New York. New York, you take a step outside to breathe, and the city's like, oh yeah, that'll be $8.75. You're like, what do you mean? I just was breathing, and they're like, we know, but unfortunately, in order to breathe, sir, that's a minimum $8.45. So I'd take out the $8.45 and I'd hand it to them, and they'd be like, and I'd start to walk away, and in the process of walking away, they'd be like, you know what? I'm so sorry, but we actually noticed you took another breath while you were walking away. You do owe us another $16.75. And I was like, so I was getting charged literally just to fucking breathe out there, brothers and sisters, let alone make any money. If that's how much tax was on breathing, imagine what it was on making money. Well, then why did you live there, Jake? Why did you live there? It is the greatest city in the world. There's no denying that. Guys, I didn't even put this song on. Wow. Autoplay just took this and put it up there. That's just a sign from the gods that they want us to hear this. Somebody asked me why I didn't move to Florida instead of Puerto Rico. Because Puerto Rico is fucking sick. That's why. Me encanto la isla. Yeah, you heard me. Ah, I love you. My housekeeper's here. It's not even fair to call her a housekeeper. She's Robin if I'm Batman. Oh shoot, let me get one thing. Oh, of course the song breaks us out. Of course the song breaks us out. Are you kidding? Who's surprised? Who's surprised? Who's surprised? Hold on, guys. I need to have ChatGPT make me an image. Guys, this is how I expect my future child to first hear this song. I did have ChatGPT make me this image. This song goes in the AirPods that goes over pregnant wife's belly. And she's going to hear, that child is going to hear in their ear, doses and mimosas, champagne and cocaine. Oh man, I looked down for a second to send a thank you to my house manager, and we're pulling back. All right. Let's see. Might be in a little bit of a spin cycle today, guys. Might be a little bit of a chop cycle. I will say, even just taking all these eagle eyes off, let's pull the eagle eyes off and just look at the 5-minute. It looks okay still. As long as this bar closes as a consolidation candle, we look okay. Guys, I once went on a plane flight and I listened to this exact clip for the entire flight. So I would like nod off and fall asleep for a couple of minutes, come back, press play on this clip again, and then listen to it again. Only women working for me and you hate that shit, whoa. I have no idea why I listened to it so many times over and over again on the plane, but I just kept sitting there pressing replay on this video. She might come. It might be an even day, guys. It might be one of these things where I just we don't get that follow through, and that's okay. That's okay. I had the chance to be up a little chunk, but not that much, quite frankly, relative to what I was looking for. I was hoping for the big move. Right now, it doesn't look like we'll get it. Let's see. Either we're gonna come even us out and stay choppy, or we'll hold up here. So let's not try and guess. Let's just wait and see. Guys, happy Friday, man. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I'm grateful for you. Hopefully we can get a nice winner today. I'm just vibing today, to be totally honest, guys. We will for sure run a giveaway later. Strictly due to the mood, man. The mood is high. The vibes are high. Come on, NQ. Let's trigger over that 2-minute high. Trigger over that 2-minute high. Let's get it. Let's go. Remember, guys, we want to hold above this green line. That makes our life way easier. That's the opening print for the day. Chat, I'm sorry, guys. I have not read a single line from y'all today. I don't mean that because I don't fucking love you. I love you at the bottom of my heart. I'm just very focused. Push it down a little bit. I want to find a good song, man. I feel like we need something good. Man, I think I know where I gotta go. All right, guys, let's keep our eyes up. It looks like we're failing, but we'll see. He finished a concert. I think this is the coolest thing ever. He finished a concert in Italy, and one of his fans said, I got a rooftop overlooking the venue. Come play a set on it afterwards. So after the show, he runs and sprints to this dude's roof and then just sits down and starts cranking. Take a breath and get out of this place. You wanna get out of here. Looks like I'll get stopped out here, guys. I'm not gonna move the stop. I'm gonna leave it. I'll take my out. All right, no harm, no foul, baby. I'm out. And I'm done. I got no interest in trying again. I had a fantastic week. I'm real happy with it. If we got cuck-chaired right there, that will be a little bit annoying, but that's not up to me. That's up to the gods. The market usually punishes people who move their stop loss to even. I did indeed move my stop loss to even. So it's possible the market's going to be punishing me, but that's a risk I'm willing to take. I did not want to lose more money. Simple answer. Boom. Hey, you're a legend. Always been a dull one. Always on it. I'm done though, guys. I'm not taking nothing else. I have no interest. Why are you good at what you do, Jake? Because I'm a good loser, dog. You want to get out of here. That's it for me, though, chat. How did you guys do? My first time checking the chat out today. Agreed. I gave it a fair shot, man. I gave it a fair shot. I even, yeah, we gave it that secondary run up. You know, no love in Miami. No love in Miami. Fairs. No trades yet. Great. Nice. Appreciate you, dog. If I was 25 years younger, I'd be on a plane. My man, I appreciate you. You like sizing up yesterday? It was a really great chart yesterday. I thought it would really go higher yesterday. Kool-Aid and frozen pizza is Mac. That's a fair one. We'll throw that on there next. Market is not ass. Your ass. I loved that one. Have y'all seen the begging strat going around? No, I have not. Oh, please go up. Please go up. Bro, that's how I felt today, man. That's how I felt. Jake's lady friend. All right, guys, let's be clear. That's my housekeeper. Yeah, I don't want to mislead anybody to believe that's it. Oh, man. Is it on Instagram, Doug? Fly safe, my bro. Fly safe. All right, guys. Let's see what the NQ does from here, but I'm chilling, man. Stay safe out there, my friends. Oh, I love this fucking song. Let's see, guys. Man, the main reason I'd hate to be a bear is I feel like you had to just go through so much work to get like 7 points to the downside. Like you literally had to exert. Bears had to go. Everything had to go right for a bear to make money on this. And then at the end of it, they got like 7 points as a reward. And Q moved a little bit more though. Street life flickers, feel it in my blood. See how gold looks. Not much. I don't think there's much action in gold either, guys. Try turn on the lights, burn dimmer. Hawkwicking, south of the river, mouthful of mini, sipping cans full of liquor. Gold looks pretty damn strong, I will say. I just don't know how far it goes. I am happy with my decision to move that stop to even now, which I know is easy in hindsight, but hey, fares. I just don't think I can consider a short, guys. Like, I'm not calling anyone who is shorting. I'm not saying you're doing anything wrong. But I personally look at this daily chart and like I don't see the short being something that's really piquing my interest, nor do I think it's something that's going to yield a life-changing result. Not saying it's a bad trade. If you went short here and you made money, obviously you did something right, but I'm just in terms of, will I do like take another trade on the day? Will I switch a bias? Anything like that? I don't think so. Yeah, I mean, the lights burn dimmer, the lights burn dimmer, the lights burn dimmer, the lights burn dimmer. It wouldn't shock me. I mean, yeah, I don't really know where we pull back to. I mean, maybe this low right here from yesterday. If you're really bearish, maybe that's the spot we go to. I honestly don't think so, but sorry guys, I'm just like processing and trying to decide, is there anything else worth doing today? Do I just leave it a day? I'm also kind of mentally judging my performance a little bit. Am I happy with what I did? Do I think I should have done something differently? If I were to judge my performance today, what I would say is that my very first entry of the day, this is hard, guys, because obviously in hindsight, it's like, well, it didn't work out, right? Because we took the long at the open, basically. In hindsight, it's easy to say, well, I wish I didn't do that because it didn't work out. Yesterday, we took a very similar long, and it got that big move. So, like, on some level, you have to be willing to try. So if I could, in judging my performance, I do wish that I was a little bit more patient on the first trade, but like that's Mr. Shoulda, Coulda, Woulda speaking, right? Like in the moment, this was a pre-market bull flag from all day yesterday. We spiked down and got over the open. I'm not mad at myself for trying that. Then the second one I think was a good risk, and we managed it out at even. We got long somewhere in here, basically. And then we got stopped out at even. Like, again, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to... I am doing this for my own journaling process, basically. This is how I journal, is it's all recorded on stream. And I ask myself, would I do it again? Am I happy with the performance? I think I'm pretty good, guys. Obviously not stoked. And I don't think it's like my favorite day in the world, but I would do it over again, and I'm okay with everything I did. And I think that's kind of where I leave it. And with that, I'm kind of thinking that it feels like a pool day, man. I think that's it for me, guys. Can you check on my DM from the other day? Yes, Doug, I got to get back to you. Guys, I owe Doug a giveaway account. So I gotta sort that today. I want to do that before I give away. We've had some codes overlapping recently. Like for whatever reason, the code Doug got had someone else using it. So I need to get Doug a code and verify that the one he used works. And then once we do that, I'll be able to resume as normal, guys. But I forgot that we had a makeup one essentially. So I do want to get this one to him, and I need to. We're just gonna keep screwing ourselves more if we give out codes without knowing that they're working. So bear with me. I'm gonna get Doug one, and once we get that sorted, I'll start doing more, but I want to get Doug sorted before we start doing another one. Can you explain holding to your stop? Why not take the 1200 when you know the trade turned on you? How do you know the trade turned on you? You know? Is it a fact? Do we know with 100% certainty that that's going to happen? When you take a trade, accept the risk. How many times have you taken a trade and when you thought it turned on you, you exited, and then, fuck! It ran to your target afterwards, and you feel like such an idiot, and blah, 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 blah. No one, you can't know anything, dog. You take your risk, you accept your risk. Nah, bro, nah, guys. Not everyone's meant to be a trader, man. Not everyone's meant to be a trader. I think that, not saying that she can't. Oh man, we gotta let some people do what they best at. You know, not everyone has to trade. Oh man, where can I get your indicators? Let me add them right here. Boom, just posted it. What is the most important rule for a trader? Be a good loser. Be a good loser. Be a good loser. Hands down, that's my best advice, my friends. 9:30 a.m. high was free short. Yeah, I mean, evidently, right? There's no way to argue with you. This is not my type of short, personally, on a day where the market is... Again, guys, everything I based my decisions off of today was off of the NQ daily chart. It was and still is very bullish. I'm not gonna short the 930 high personally on it, but if that's your style and you made money, man, fuck yeah, bro. Good shit. I'm not arguing with you. Amen, brother. Like I said, guys, it's not my stylistic short usually, just because we're at all-time highs. But like, I'm not blaming anybody or saying you did nothing wrong, dog. Good fucking work, everybody. Oh, Chris. Good work, guys. Nice work, man. Yeah. Hey. If you had the foresight to see that opening print short, looking for a consolidation or a pullback day, more props to you, man. Great work, guys. That's what I don't like. I wish we collectively as traders could be more like, and it's hard. I'm not saying it's easy and doable. It's hard. I understand why it doesn't. But guys, for every trade anybody takes, you know, there's a flip side to it, right? Like, for the traders who thought we were going to hold the opening print here, there was the other side traders who thought we were going to fail the opening print here, right? It's why I always say that trading has more of a coin flip element to it than most people would like to admit. One thing that I would like to happen as a result of that, I would like us to just root for each other more, man. Like, hey, you guys who shorted 260 today or 240s, I personally didn't take it just because the daily chart, I felt a little, no one is right nor wrong, you know? So I'm happy for you guys, man. Good shit. Good work, baby. Fuck yeah. What did I miss? Amen, Mr. SCW speaking again, baby. Alex, my brother, I appreciate you so much, dog. Hey, and happy birthday too, man. I love you, bro. We'll catch up for sure. Hell of a week. Let me pin this link for you guys. Are you allowed to smoke flower during a sesh, my dude? I try not to when I'm still actively making decisions. But like, for example, today, guys, I took this entry. It didn't work out. But if the market, I know this, we're playing a lot of if scenarios, but just bear with me. If the market was going to go higher, I was happy with my entry, and I was happy with where I was able to drag the stop loss to even. Once I did that, I knew I wasn't going to take another trade on the day. I don't mind lighting up a J, like, and just letting the orders do the work. But I would like to make it clear, I'm not like an advocate for like impairing your decision-making process while you trade. Like, typically speaking, if I'm going to light a joint, it's because I'm at that point, I'm just watching my trade, right? I'm just watching it. Also, me taking one or two puffs of a joint, I will be honest, it doesn't really do much to me. It's almost like a cigarette smoker smoking a little bit of a cigarette. Yeah. But if I'm getting stoned, I'm not trading for sure. I'll do my best, man. Nice work, Al Pacino, dog. Funded next might work in South Africa, actually. I was high as fuck and caught 279 shorts. Nice work, baby. Oh, I didn't read it as a shot, Miguel. Don't worry. I'm sorry if my reaction I love you, Miguel. I know you. You're one of the most positive people in the world. I don't take anything you say as negative, bro. I love you. Holy AMD. Wow. You're not working hard enough. Still is in a big range on the daily. So I'm not going to lie to you. I don't know that I would have caught this trade just because it is still in that. That being said, I mean, guys, this is a crazy 5-minute chart. Absolutely fireworks to anyone who caught that. Maybe use the opening print buy setup here. I see that. Absolutely. I see that. I see that vision. Absolutely, man. I do still trade options for anyone wondering. It's been a little while. I have nothing against them. I'm just waiting for the market to be at all-time highs, so the moves are a little bit easier. But also, I love futures, man. I love them. I love them. So I love trading them daily. A little less stress, too. This is part of the reason that I don't trade them every day anymore. I found with futures, I'm more able to like accept when something is quote unquote my fault. With NQ, I feel like I'm a little bit with the futures, excuse me, I'm a little bit easier to like be like, yeah, I live or breathe. I live or die with it being my fault. I live or breathe with it being my fault, and knowing that it's my fault. Like AMD versus Google today, I don't really know how you could have predicted. Well, no, I mean, Google did have a move down, a big move down recently. I guess AMD did too. AMD, I think, looked a little bit better than Google today, but not much. So that's kind of one of the things I mean, is that pre-market, and it's a little bit harder to discern which one of those ones is going to make a move. Now, if you're someone who doesn't trade the first 15 minutes, you trade a little bit later in the morning, then I do think individual names actually, the scale tips back towards them just because it gives you more options throughout the day. Options kind of brings that down. I was really hoping single stock futures would change the world. I feel bamboozled, truthfully, because I thought they were going to change the world and they haven't. But yeah, anyways, that's just me ranting. No, I personally do not trade options in the SPX. I mean, once in a very blue moon, maybe, but no. Agreed. Section 1256. I don't know that off the top of my head. I'll look it up. Oh, yeah. You get better tax benefits from trading futures versus options. I'm not the one to explain that, though. Throughout my entire life, one thing I have always paid for is an accountant. I don't know anything. I just give my accountant the paperwork, and then she tells me everything. Now in Puerto Rico, I am a part of Act 60, so none of the Section 1256 does not apply to me because capital gains. I'm not trying to just pull my wiener out and put it on the table, but I am now Act 60, so none of that matters for me. I'm Act 60, baby. God bless Puerto Rico. God bless Puerto Rico. So no, guys, I can't answer any of your tax questions. I don't know what those are. I don't know what those are, baby. Yeah, exactly. It's basically a tax benefit to trading futures versus other asset classes, right? Part of your gains get taxed at a lower rate. That being said, an accountant will be able to do the details of that way better, right? For sure. Prop firm stuff is 1099 income. Guys, talk to your accountants. If you feel so inclined to do this stuff on your own, pop off, King. I can't tell you what to do. Asking me tax questions is not a prudent move because, one, I've never done anything on my own ever. I have literally always just listened to an accountant. And now I'm Act 60. So I love you guys. I'm not a good person to ask any of these questions to. I pay accountants and I do Act 60. You're not too broke for an accountant. I guarantee you, you're not too broke for an accountant. Accountants are cheap as fuck, and accountants are net positive assets, guys. In almost every scenario, an accountant will make you money. You will make money by the way an accountant files your taxes and saves you it. You are not too broke for an accountant. No, you're not. Accountants are net positive assets. They're net positive assets. In almost every scenario. There's maybe a very few scenarios out there where an accountant would cost you more money than they save you. If you have any decent income, it's very rare. Exactly. You get me, brother. You get me. All right, guys, let me find Doug's DM real quick. I got to get Doug a code. Breaking news from Shams. Oh no, it's just a grade on my Warriors off seasons. C- for the Warriors off season. Honestly, we should get a fucking F, bro. Oh, all right, guys. Give me 1 second. The only thing I would like to do is I have some TPT evals that I would like to get cooking towards being finished. And in order to do that, I would like to log a trading day and maybe make a couple $100 or something like that. So I will take one more little trade on some evals, mostly to log a trading day while also... Let me see. Doug, are you sure? It's totally up to you, bro. You can save. The code will work if you want to save it. All right, bro. I appreciate you a bunch, man. We will run that one at the end. Shout out to you, Doug. Guys, give some love to Doug in the chat, bro. Show some love to Doug. Doug, you're a good dude, bro. We appreciate you, man. My boss right now. You're my boy, Doug. Oh, Doug, you just bought infinite love with the chat, my man. Good work. Ronj, do me a favor, bro. Let's set one up for 3 minutes. Why can't I log into TPT? Trying to see how much I need to pass this eval. All right, chat, enter up, my friends. We got a giveaway cooking. Courtesy of Mr. Doug, the winner from the other day, giving his win back. Enter up, my friends. Enter up. I did take a little trade here just to try and log a trading day on this TPT. Let's hope it doesn't flip around and murder me. But I'm gonna keep a stop real close just to try and make like 700 or risk 700, something like that. Enter up, my friends. Enter up. Bomba, 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 bomba. All right, guys. Enter up. We got to be near the end here. Enter up. Last few seconds. Or I don't know how much longer it is, but it's... All right, boom. Wow, I nailed that timing. Wow. My internal clock is great. No longer enter, guys. Halt the entries. Halt the entries. Days been getting me down. Bury Kings. Bury Kings, are you here? My goat. Life goes on and my life goes on and my life goes on in my head. I'm solo. Burry Kings, are you here, my goat? We'll aim it together. Life goes on and my life goes on and my life goes on in my head. I'm solo. Did I just miss them? Are they here? Burry, where are you at, dog? Am I crazy? Am I just missing it, guys? Burry Kings? Burry Kings? Burry Kings? Oh, I won in May. Can I pick a winner from that chat spamming and I let you know? I think that's fair. Well, I don't know. You might pick a friend. I don't know. This is an interesting proposal. We've never had this one yet. This is new territory. I think yeah. You know what? Fuck it. Go ahead and pick a fucking one, man. Who you picking, Burry Kings? Spam away. I don't know how we're gonna see I don't know how we're gonna see. How are you gonna let me know? I don't know how this is gonna work. Oh, are you gonna DM me on Instagram? I mean, this is a pretty cool idea, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Shout out to Burry Kings. I just don't know how we're gonna pick. How you like when pick up the sediment soda line. Okay, but how do we? Let me see if I can find your. Hold on, guys. I don't know how we're gonna end this. We might be in an endless loop. Oh no, there he is. There he is. Okay. Halt, guys. Halt your typing. Halt. I got a DM. Halt the typing. We need Kevin Fuller. Kevin Fuller. Kevin, are you here? Boom, I see that. Look at that. No way. Way, brother. And actually not even courtesy of me. Courtesy of the GOAT, Mr. Brandon. Burry Kings. Man, that's awesome, dude. The love be spreading today, guys. Very cool idea. I like that. I really like that, dude. Great idea, man. Oh, man. That was fun. All right. His boyfriend rigged. No, guys, he sent me the picture. And it landed on that username. I feel pretty confident they don't know each other. Oh, man. All right, dope. Kevin, we're going to have you just message Rake on Instagram. No, I know. No. I saw a few people saying it. I saw a few people saying it, not just you. Do me a favor, just shoot me a message on Instagram and I'll get it over to you guys. Get it over to you. All right, my man. All right, guys, this is my last TPT eval. Let me see how much I got to make on it. I might try. I got to log a trading day no matter what. And this is how we'll end the stream. I need to make just under 3,000. Where's my DJ hour sign? Where's my DJ hour sign? No one allowed to yell at me. Go, 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 go. All right, well, that's cool with me. I need 5 more trading days on this account anyways, and I need to get it to 9,000. So, whatever, fuck it, bro. I got 2 more days. I'll just make 1,000 a day or something like that. Boom. My hope, guys, because I'm on Pro Plus status with TPT. Oh man, I should have fucking held it. Oh well, I'm silly. Because I'm on Pro Plus with TPT, if I can pass these evals, they'll move straight to Pro Plus, which means I'll get 2 more live accounts. So I'm telling you guys, the goal with firms, man, should be to get moved live so you can get these uncapped daily payout accounts. A couple more of days like yesterday, and I'm buying a house in cash, bro.
Thank you, guys. Lovely. Thank you so much for having us in your room. Thank you so much.
All right, I gotta get this on. Kevin Fuller, boom. When I own it, guys, I'll do this. When I own it, I do this. When I own it, I'll for sure do this. Definitely not NYC. Nah, dude, I'm not trying to get taxes on that shit, man. Nah, PR, baby. Definitely PR. I'm so pissed with TPT. I love them, but they blocked my account after charging me twice on a reset. I raised it with my bank. I'm not going to lie. From my experience, guys, if you bring any issues with a prop to your bank, they're gonna ban. Just because if you bring it to a bank, the bank brings it to their payment processor. And if you fuck with the payment processor, that puts them in. I'm not saying right or wrong. I'm not saying I agree with the firm for doing it. That being said, in our business, in my business that I run, if anyone ever like disputes, which we've had basically minimal to none of our entire career because we're very straight up about what we offer. If people dispute, we go to like a non-working level with them just because they could have reached out to work on something with us. Going to the bank fucks with our payment processor. Like it's a big deal. It's a big deal in terms of payment processors could eventually cut you off. So in our business, if people dispute, we look at that as like they don't want any of our help. You know what I'm saying? Prop firms before, from my understanding, if you dispute charges with them, they are going to treat it like you're trying to go to war because it can affect, even if it's like it was just a wrongful charge. If you have a wrongful charge, I would more like spam the fuck out of their email, because they will, like, support tickets are weird with the way they get queued, and sometimes you get stuck in a queue. Whenever I have prop firm issues, I email. I don't have special people to reach out to. I just email the generic people. But for whatever reason, I get better responses on emails. And because while support tickets are faster, they get clogged. Sometimes they're AI. Sometimes the AI doesn't know when to move that on to a human being, right? I email, and again, I'm not saying it's right nor wrong. I'm just saying from my past experience that I've seen, props, if you go to the bank to dispute, they will automatically block you from there. Because in their eyes, the risk of doing business with you in the future doesn't outweigh the risk of you disputing more charges. So they just say, we're just not going to do business with that person. Again, I'm not saying it's right or wrong. I'm just saying that's my understanding of it. So I'm sorry. I definitely mean in hindsight, I feel bad that I was like, it felt like I was lecturing you. I'm sorry. That was more, you just gave me an opportunity to talk to everybody. So I'm sorry. That wasn't directed at just you. I was definitely just trying to send a broader message there to people. Because I know that feeling. I will say though, guys, like if you got truly wronged and scammed, like the fast track trading shit from back in the day, then yes, like dispute, like do what you got to do. If there's something that you might be able to figure out admin wise via email, I would go that route first. Yeah. All right, guys. I love you. It is Friday, 11 a.m. Now it's 11 a.m. And I think I'm going to go sit by the pool, my friends. I think I'm going to go sit by the pool. So I love you guys so much. Seriously, thank you so much for being here. This was a great week, even though today was, today wasn't a great trading day. I also do not want to act like today was a bad trading day in any way, shape, or form. I don't even know if I have a funny video to make about the NQ today. I think we might just have to leave it as that, you know? So, all right, guys, I love you so much, man. I hope you all have an amazing weekend for real. I'm very grateful for you. I'm locked into Puerto Rico. I'm not going anywhere anytime soon. Guys, last thing I'll say, I can't talk about it too much yet. The Rake Trades Discord, not the pay, like if you have felt like the Rake Trades community, whether it's the paid, the free, whether if you've ever felt like from the last few years, there's a little bit left to be desired, like it was missing something, like we could be doing more, all that, just be prepared. All I got to say is some A+ talent is inbound, and it's long overdue, and something really cool is about to fucking happen. Something really fucking cool is about to happen, baby. There's a free link, Justin. I'm seeing your message, Justin. There's a free link in the description of this video. The paid link is right here in this chat. Yeah. There's a free link, which at the moment doesn't have much, but like we said, man, some big is coming, baby. Not even someone. Fuck. Okay, I gotta go. Okay, bye.